Hello children, in our previous video we saw about what is making a living and the various sectors like primary, secondary and tertiary sectors. Now in this video we are going to see about rural livelihoods. Let's move on to the topic. Livelihoods refers to something which helps us to run our day-to-day lives. So, something which supports us to run our day-to-day lives is called as livelihood, or something that gives us money. In other words, it means the occupation. So, we are going to see about rural livelihoods. That is, what kind of occupations are seen in the rural areas. Rural areas refers to the village areas. Agriculture is the most important occupation in the rural areas. Most of the people depend on agriculture either directly or indirectly. Apart from agriculture, we find other occupations like teachers, hairdressers, potters, masons, metalsmiths, shopkeepers, carpenters, and also few work for the government, either to maintain the law and order in the case of police or in helping the government for administration. Various government employees. However, the most important occupation in village areas is the agriculture. In India, at present, nearly 50% of the population is dependent on the agriculture. Now, we are going to see various types of farmers in the upcoming slides. There are different types of farmers. They are large farmers. As the name itself says, these farmers are very rich and they have a huge area of land. And these farmers, they do not work on the field directly, but they make others to work on their land. To be simple, these farmers are just the owners of the land. The employees of the land are other people. These farmers use highly equipped machines for agriculture and modern technology for cultivation of crops. They are called as large farmers. Medium farmers. Medium farmers own 2 to 5 hectares of land. For your understanding, I am showing you an image of 5 hectares of land. These medium farmers cultivate on their own land. Once the cultivation is over, they use for their own family and the rest of the stock will be sold by them in the markets. So, these medium farmers practice subsistence farming. That is, the harvested crops will be sufficient for their family and the rest of the stock will be sold in the markets by them. Marginal farmers. Marginal farmers own less than 2 hectares of land. That is a very small land. The cultivated crops will not be even sufficient for their family. The cultivated crops will be insufficient for the farmer's family because the farmer uses only very small piece of land. That particular farmer is called as a marginal farmer. And there are also chances that if the cultivation or the harvest is poor, then the farmer is forced to do any other job. Because due to various reasons, if the harvest is not good, then how will he be able to have food? In order to make a living, the farmer will go for some other job if the cultivated crops are not good or if the harvest is poor. Moving on to landless farmers. These farmers do not own any kind of land. They work on others' land. That is, in other words, these farmers work in the lands of large farmers. And the landless farmers are usually poorly paid. That is, they will be receiving only less amount of money as salary. The other type of farming seen in rural areas are dairy farming. Dairy farming means farmers raise cow and sometimes even goats. These farmers sell milk and milk products to others. This is called as dairy farming. Poultry. Here the farmers raise chicken, ducks for the meat and egg. That is called as poultry farming. Fishing. Fishing is an important activity in southern part of India. And our government is encouraging aquaculture. Aquaculture means farming of aquatic animals like fish, shrimps, prawns, etc. It is also called as aqua farming. Rearing aquatic animals like fish and shrimp for food is done here. Fish from India is also exported to other parts of the world. So these are the rural livelihoods. That is, these are the occupations seen in the rural areas. Rural areas refers to village and village areas. Even though we find various occupations in villages, agriculture is the most important occupation. Thank you.